Flu AB Antigen Test Kit E-Test Kit 40 pieces box Virus extraction solution with tubes Nozzle with filter Sterile swab Instruction Manual Use the nasal swab provided in the cassette. Use a cotton swab to insert the left and right nostrils one by one. Put the swab specimen into the extraction tube. Rotate the swab in the liquid. Open the package and take out the test cassette. Add 2 drops to the test device's sample well and start the timer. Interpretation of results. Negative result, only a reddish-purple control line C position. Read results at 15 minutes. Do not read after 20 minutes.